Dirijimu di sik. Cara tamu di menceng.
Apa lah?
Menceng coy.
Tapi menceng lebih 40,5.
41,5.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the option. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
Aduh, balik nih.
Ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right. I swear to God that I could drop and roll. I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right. I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay. We work hard, then we all play. Yeah. I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right. So I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah. One day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. Yeah. That's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating. Yeah. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah. Ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right. I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah. I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Dirijimu di sik. Cara tamu di menceng. Menceng toh.
Apa lah?
Menceng coy.
Tapi menceng lebih 40,5.
41,5.
Ampun.
Mana tak bisa diomongi kawan.
Xong nó với lửa nghe thấy bộ tem của Don't let the salah này. Ya. Có mẹ. Phải sai với cái nó.
dihapus kuwi. Tukang KW 5 iki.
Pakai. Digandel karo penutan. Gandel tangan. Gandel apa to? Gandel tanganku malah.
Ganjel tanganmu kok kekethok kandaan. Halo Lur, ini adalah proses pemotongan granit yang dilakukan oleh tukang KW. KW 5. Nah, apakah dia akan memberikan suatu pekerjaan yang maksimal? Re. Oke. Gajeli gula-guli gitu loh. Cara penempatan juga kita harus memberikan tempat yang rata. Ini potongan-potongan oleh tukang KW kita.
Pokoknya garis dhisik, aja tel nih. Dadi garis dhisik.